Thank you. Here, I've got some more toys for you. Sit down. Here, you can tell me about the other one. Here. What is that? Wow, good guess. Good guess. Here. For your teeth. Nice lollipops. Big surprise. Wow. What's inside there? Look. I will hold it. Wow.
New set!
Wow. Look at that. This is so cute. The little eggs. Wow. So you're going to put something.
I love
Good.